Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel YashEduAcademy. In this video, we are going to discuss 8th semester pharmacy topic of frequency distribution from Biostatistics and Research Methodology based on JNTUH curriculum. In the previous video, we have done with the introduction part of Biostatistics and Research Methodology. If you haven't watched it, get the link from the description and watch it now. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, activate the bell icon. And before getting into the video, let's roll the intro. Coming to the topic, frequency distribution. Frequency distribution means these are two words combined to explain the study of statistical analysis. Frequency is nothing but the particular value which is repeated or occurs in a data repeatedly in n number of times is called frequency. And distribution means the variables which are occurred in the data are distributed and organized in a set of values with their tabular and chart forms. Now, frequency distribution together explains that the particular values which are occurred in the data repeatedly are organized in a tabular and chart form, are portrayed in a tabular chart form, so that they can be organized and analyzed easily. Here, according to Croxton and Cowden, frequency distribution is a statistical table which shows the set of all discrete values of the variables arranged in the order of magnitude, either individually or grouped data with their corresponding frequencies side by side. So here the scientists are telling that the frequency distributions are the statistical tables which shows the set of discrete values. Means set of discrete values, the variables are arranged in order of magnitude, either individually or grouped. Means in frequency distribution, the statistical table contains the different kinds of raw data, means which are available in grouped data and few are available in ungrouped data. So both the grouped and ungrouped data are organized and studied with the help of frequency distribution. And here the scientists have stated that frequency distribution is a statistical table which shows a set of discrete values of the variables arranged in order of magnitude. So here the frequency distribution is tells about the study of the collected data which is available in grouped and ungrouped data. Individually means it is ungrouped data. It is ungrouped data, and in groups means it is a grouped data. Okay. So grouped data and ungrouped data, these are the two types present in the frequency distribution. So in the first one, grouped data. In grouped data, it includes age, weight, height, and etc. And when it comes to height, it is 5.6, 4.2, 3.8. Means they are in the decimal, feet and inches. Now age also they are in numerical, 1 year to 60 years. Okay, so grouped data is available in age, weight, height, and etc. So sometimes it also includes the dosage forms of drugs. So based on the dosage forms of drugs also the grouped data can be collected. And ungrouped data. So here in ungrouped data it comes under the sales, number of sales of drugs. Sales of drugs are any numerical values which are individual. So for example, it may be 7, 8, 7, 9, 8, 12, 10, 12, 21 and so on. So when it comes to the ungrouped data always present like this in individual numerical values. When it comes to the age can be written in numerical values, and here dosage forms can be written in the decimal values of numericals here also. But the measuring of measurement of numericals is different in group and ungrouped data. When it comes to ungrouped data, the numericals can be written directly. Okay. And when it comes to the grouped data, the set of measurements. See here, measuring the set of all possible values. So in a grouped data, the measuring of set of values is different from the person to person of particularity. When it has a frequency of ages, weight and height, here the measuring set is changing in grouped data. In ungrouped data, there is nothing like that. We can directly write the numerical values. So this is the difference between grouped data and ungrouped data. So until here the frequency distribution is completed, and these are classified into many types. Let us discuss now here the classification of the statistical series. In this classification of statistical series, it is classified into three types. One is individual series, and the second one is discrete, third one is continuous. Okay, so individual series, discrete and continuous are the three parts of statistical series. In this individual series, it is again divided into two types. One is ascending and the other is descending. Okay. The statistical table is organized based on the ascending and descending. In the individual series, means the data is available in ungrouped form. Okay. Now discrete means the data is organized in a tabular form, but it has no class intervals. Okay. Now in continuous it is again divided into five types. Exclusive series, inclusive series, exclusive and inclusive series, and next open end series, cumulative series, and midvalue series. So this is a complete classification of statistical series. In this, from statistical series, it is divided into three types: individual series, discrete and continuous series. In this individual series, it is again divided into two types: ascending and descending orders. And in discrete, it is not divided. Discrete itself is one. Now continuous series is again subdivided into five topics. First one is exclusive series, inclusive series, open-end series, cumulative series and mid-value series. Now to study them in depth, I'll give a raw data. Okay, for individual series I am giving it. For individual series, example 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 9, 7, 5, 8, 2, 8, 8, 5, 5. So now this is my data. This is my individual data. Okay, this is my individual data. Now we should write them in the form of ascending and descending. Okay, ascending is nothing but small to big, and descending is nothing but big to small. Okay, now in this this individual series data can be written in ascending and descending format. So see here, small numbers. What are the small numbers? Here in ascending format. In ascending format, first we should write small letters. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 times it is finished. Now 5. 5 we should write them for 4 times. Now 7, 1, 2, 2 times, comma 7, comma 7, comma 8. 8 is repeated for 4 times. 8. Now 9, 9, comma 9, 2 times. So 2 is repeated, finished, and 5 is finished, 7 is finished, 8 is finished, and 9 is also finished. So it comes to the ascending format. It comes under the ascending, and when it comes to descending, we should start from back to front. Means from the biggest number to largest number to. We should write the individual series in descending format from the large number to large to small. So we should write the numbers numericals in reverse order. 9, 9, and 8, 8, 8, 7, 5, and 2. So this comes under the descending format. Okay. Now this is the individual data. This individual data is written in the ascending format in this way, from the least number to the highest number, and when it comes to the descending order, it is written in from the large to small, means the biggest number to the smallest number it is written. Now when it comes to discrete means when it comes to discrete series, when it comes to discrete series, the series is written in a individual format, means data and frequency. Okay, now data. What is the data here? This one. The individual data we have taken in the beginning. Now write the data. 2. First of all, only data we should write. The number of repeated time, the frequency rate should be written here under the frequency. 2, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now count them. 2 is repeated for 4 times. So the number of frequency for 2 is 4. 5 is 4. 7 is 2. 8 is 4. And 9 is 2. Okay. Now based on the individual data, the discrete data can be written in this format. Means it is written side by side. It is written in the side by side format for the discrete series. Just now we are done with the individual series and discrete series. Now we are going to discuss the continuous series. Continuous series is nothing but the observations are present in different class intervals rather than a single number. The frequency represents the number of observations falling in class intervals. Means so here the observations of the data are differently arranged in a class intervals in different numbers. Okay. So we'll write it as, this is the rough data. This is the rough data for continuous series. See, now I am writing the organizing form, tablet, and tally marks. In this continuous series, we will deal with the tally. And this one frequency. Okay. Now 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. So these are the class intervals of continuous series. These are the class intervals of continuous series. Now we'll deal with the tally. Now tally mark. 0 to 20. How many numbers are there? 12, 15, 10, 5, and 8. And that's it. So how many? 5 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That denotes 5. Now 20 to 40. The numbers are located between 20 to 40. 25, 38, 25 and 38. That's it. So 1, 2. The frequency is 2. 42, 60. 42, 55, 50, 42, 55, 50. That's it. 3. So the frequency is 3. 60 to 80. 60 to 78. 60 to 80, no? 60 to 78. 70 to 75. So there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Here the frequency is 4. 80 to 100. 80 to 100. 82, 85, 98 and 92. So it is 4. The frequency is 4. So this is the actual arrangement of continuous series. In this continuous series, there are the subdivided topics: exclusive, inclusive, open-end, cumulative and mid-value. So in this exclusive, the upper limits are not included. Upper limits means the left side of the numbers, left side are called as lower limit, and the right side numericals are called as upper limit. So here in the lower limit, only these numbers are calculated. If, for example, if the value is 20, if the 20 number is given in the raw data, we should not give the tally mark here. We should give the tally mark on the second one. So the upper limits are not included in exclusive series. Okay. When it comes to the inclusive, in inclusive the class intervals are given differently. For example, here from 0 to 20 is there. In inclusive, 0 to 19 and 20 to 39 and 40 to 59 and 60 to 79, 80 to 99. So these are the class intervals given in the inclusive series. Okay. Here the upper limit and lower limit of the next one, second class interval, doesn't match. Whereas in exclusive, the numbers are matched with the class intervals of first and second class intervals. So in exclusive, the upper limits are not considered. In inclusive, all the numbers are class intervals are considered, but the class intervals of upper limit and lower limit for the next one is not matched. Now open-end series. In this open-end series, the values are given, the class intervals are written, but it is written as less than 9. Again it will come from 10 to 19 and 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49 and here 50 and above. So the starting and the ending, opening and ending of the series is not exactly given. The least number and the largest number are not exactly given. So in that case, we have to use the open series for the frequency distribution tally calculation. Okay. Now let us discuss the cumulative. Let us discuss about the cumulative series. Cumulative series is nothing but the values are in the cumulative series, the observations presented and the data collected is written in the class interval form, but here I am doing with the same example which we have done with the continuous series. So in this, the difference between the continuous series and cumulative series is we are replacing the tally column with the cumulative frequency. So in this cumulative series, the numbers we have to find. See, we first of all we have to write the frequency for the cumulative series. So let us write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers are arranged, located between 0 to 20. And now 20 to 40. 20 to 40 means 25 and 38. Only 2 are left. So 40 to 60, 40 to 55, 50, 42, 50 and 55. 3. Now 60 to 80. 62, 78, 72, 75. 4. Here it is 4. Now 80 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So here also it is 4. Now in the frequency we have written the frequency. General frequency means how many times it is repeated. The values numericals, how many times they are frequently repeated in the data, we have written in the frequency column. Now coming to the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency can be written as, here 5 is there. Simply write the 5 here. When we are writing the second one, second class interval cumulative frequency, we will write it as 5 plus 2. Means the cumulative frequency is 7. Again in the same way we will write this 5 plus 2 plus 3 means 7 plus 3 it is 10. The cumulative frequency for this third one is 10. Again add from the bottom 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 10 plus 4 it is 14. Again here 5, 2, 3, 4 and 4. It is 18. Again, so this is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency for first one is 5, second one is 5 plus 2, the third one is 5 plus 2 plus 3, the fourth one same, keep on adding with the first one. So when we are writing, it is in the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. When we are writing the descending order it comes in the reverse order. 18, 14, 10, 7 and 5. So this is the descending order and this is the ascending order for the cumulative frequency. And the last one, mid-value series. In this mid-value series there is a formula for this mid-value series, that is L plus 1 plus L2. L1 plus L2 by 2 means lower limit plus upper limit, means the least number and the largest number. Assume it is as least number plus highest large number, okay, by 2. For example, see here we are taking 12 and 72, okay, 12 plus 72 by 2, okay. So 12 plus 72 how much? It is 84. 84 by 2. 2 4s are 2 2s are. It is 42. So the mid value for the two numbers is 42. Means the mid value series is nothing but taking the average of two numericals, two variables. Okay, that's all for the day. Hope the video was informative. If you find the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Activate the bell icon and stay tuned for the more videos.